In today's video, I will show you a free method to find ideas from popular and trend t-shirts that can help you to inspire and get more sales on Redbubble. My name is Saji from Infinity Passive Income. This channel is about making money online with free methods on different fields such print on demand business, affiliate marketing and dropshipping. And I will appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. That motivates me to do more videos like this, and thank you for your support. Let's start the video. So first method, let's go to etsy.com and click your niche. Is like this. The first word is niche, and after choose the keyword you will target. For example, I will choose the mom is my niche, is the family niche, and the keyword is funny. After choose the products, I usually choose t-shirt because I focus on t-shirts and stickers on Redbubble. Search. And choose any design here, like this one. When you choose your design, scroll down until you find the number of favorites. Why I choose the favorites? Because most of people click on favorites, want to back and buy that items. So I chose the design have more than 1000 favorites and inspire from them. For this one is just 300, so it's not enough. I will choose another example like this one. Is 400, not enough. And voila, this is a good t-shirt, 3000. So I inspire from this design and get keywords from here and make my designs related to this one. And I also go to comment section. Let's choose another design like this one. I go to the comment section here and I click on the no comment, and I see if the design are sold on the last 7 days. Like you see here, this design sold yesterday almost every day. So this design is a winning t-shirt ideas, is good for inspire, and if you create a design similar to this one, you probably make sales from it. The second method is go to TeeSpring.org. This site show you the most sold items on TeeSpring. For the people who don't know TeeSpring is a branch of demand platform like Redbubble. After type your niche here, for example mom, click at best selling by numbers, and this is the most sold items on TeeSpring right now. You can simply create designs similar or inspire from them, but not copy or steal this design. Like you see 1000, 4000, 1000, 1000, 800, 900, and you can take your time. There is thousands of ideas for inspiration in this site. So This is the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you find this video useful, give it a like and share with your friend, and see you on the next video.